Hello and welcome back to My First Mustang. If this is the first time you've tuned in, I'm Rob, this is Nathaniel, and we are working to get this barn find 1966 Ford Mustang back on the road. Now if you missed the last episode, it ended with Nathaniel and I getting the battery all charged up, getting the spark plug wires all on, and then we found out we didn't have the keys. So in this episode we are going to fix that. Well, on this episode I am going to fix that. What do you think about watching some Top Gear?
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
Dada does this stuff.
Okay, that's fun then. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Yep.
Thumbs up for TV?
Dad, can you turn on TV?
I think I'm going to get the Poor Parenting Award if I show Nathaniel how to do this. So for this part of it, it's just going to be us. At this point, I feel like it's really important to point out that I am not a criminal. Here's the certificate of title. We own the car. We're just doing this because we have to. All right. So I got one of these off of, what was it, Scott Drake or CJ Pony Parts or something. It's a replacement set of keys for the car. So the whole idea is that you can swap this cylinder in, this ignition cylinder in, for the one that is currently in your car. Now apparently when you have keys, changing out the ignition cylinder is easy. You just insert the key in and then you turn it to the AC position and you press this little hole. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you know, a safety pin works. You can insert the safety pin into that hole and rotate it all the way out and put in a new ignition cylinder. But we don't have our keys. So, well, I'm gonna have to improvise. We need to change this cylinder out, but we don't have the keys, so that's where this comes in. It's kind of shocking that you can even get things like this on Amazon. It's a lockpick set. So it comes with this trainer lock, and you can see everything that's going on inside of it. And it comes with a set of lock picks. The idea with the lock when you have a key and you're not a criminal is when you put the key in, it makes all of these pins inside line up. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. All these pins moving around. So you get a lock pick. You have to put a little bit of tension on it with one of these tension bars. And then you take your pick, you put it in there and you poke all of these. I'm trying to get you guys to see the little pins moving around. Yeah, see the little pins? So you poke all these pins. I think you can see it. Get all these pins to move. And with a little bit of practice, you can feel all these, with a little bit of practice, you can feel all these little pins lining up, and it's like incredibly easy. Anyways, let's try again. Actually, it also came with this. It also came with this like skeleton key thing. This might be even faster. Let's try it out. Put a little bit of tension on there. You scrub it, You just kind of go real fast in a rocking motion like this, and it puts all the pins in the right place. Again, crazy easy. You know that scene in Gone in 60 Seconds where the guys are like rolling out their car theft paraphernalia and they're gonna ride again, and they put on their leather jackets and they look so cool, and it's like, ah, commit felonies. This isn't really like that. Not anywhere near as glamorous. Ah, I think I got it. The pin. Use the pin. Oh, I did it. See? So then, swap the old cylinder out for the new one with the keys. You can come with me. So you can see too. The old ignition cylinder out. Pop the new one in. Right? Up. That's done. I have the battery disconnected, but yes! Yes! If that was that shockingly easy, how easy would it be to break into my house? Not a criminal. I'm actually really happy to report that these Lockpicks on the training lock and on a 50-year-old ignition cylinder, they work, but they don't work at all on the new ignition that I put in or on our front door, so that's kind of a good thing. That's kind of comforting to know that people can't just go out onto Amazon and get something that you could easily break into somebody's house with. The idea is that on an ignition cylinder that's really old, all the pins have worn down, so it's really easy to pick an old ignition cylinder. But I wasn't able to do the new ignition cylinder. So if you own one of these old Mustangs and you haven't changed out your ignition cylinder, just go pick one up off CJ Pony Parts or Scott Drake or someplace like that, because it'll make it a whole lot more difficult for somebody to steal your car. So Nathaniel, your car now has keys. Are you excited? Yeah?
Peace out.
Guys, tune in next time. We're gonna go out there and we can see if we can get that car started.
Peace out.
And remember, not a criminal.